Welcome, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can set up a free trial for Shopify, and it's really pretty easy, so let's go. All you have to do is write shopify.com in your search, then go to the Start Free Trial. When you are in the Start Free Trial, write there your email address you want to use, and let's name it, I don't know, gmail.com, password, and store name. This will be your store name you will use and the customers will see it. So let's name it, I don't know, Marcus Stone. We will see. Okay, so Marcus Stone Elius, maybe. Yep. And the look, it will look like this. marcusstonelius.shopify.com. This is how it will look like. Let's now create your store. Okay. Now it's just loading. So, are you already selling? This is really important to choose because it will give you tips on how we can create better site, better store. So let's say I'm just playing around and they can help you create a product to sell. If you're gonna sell, I'm selling, I'm just not online. I'm not selling any products yet. Do you have something to sell? I'm still brainstorming ideas on what to sell. What is your current revenue? And you can choose, like which one is it? Like I go up to 5,000 right now. So now I'm gonna click next. Now you just need to fill this. Okay. Slovakia. You can also put a website here if you have one. Enter my store. And just fill it because you are going to get paid on that side, on the address. And voila, here we are. And this is where you customize, this is where you add a product, this is when you manage your online store, like themes. And you have blog posts here, pages, navigation, domains, and it's really pretty cool. So this is how you set up a free trial on Shopify. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me and subscribe. And yeah, thank you everybody. Goodbye.